Let's learn how to make a magic ring. A magic ring is used in crochet to start anything that you want to make circular. For example, a magic ring is used a lot in amigurumi. It's used to make coasters. Essentially anything that starts in a circle and you want it to be circular, you can start with a magic ring. In order to make a magic ring, first you want to have your yarn. This is your loose yarn end, and this end goes to the actual skein. First, put your hands like a pistol here. Pew, pew. All right. You're going to wrap this loose yarn end around your two fingers here. Wrap it around again. I like to lock my pinky in here just for this part so it doesn't get all tangled here. Then, with this yarn end, which is going to your skein, you're going to wrap this one around this pinky here. So let's pull this one back here and see. Let's hold this loose yarn end with your thumb. So that's what we have. Now take your hook, go under this first loop, hook the second loop, pull it under, twist, yarn under this, pull through the loop here, and let go. That's your magic ring. So a lot of people will want to say like a magic ring 6 or a magic ring 4. Then they'll like single crochet into this ring. So say for example you want to do a magic ring 6. We'll go in here and do 6 single crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets. And then the cool thing about the magic ring is that when we pull this loose yarn end, just like with a slip knot, it tightens the entire ring. So that right there is a magic ring 6. Let's do that one more time in slow motion here. Okay, so again, pistols out, wrap around twice, kind of lock that by your pinky for now, but we're going to use our thumb later to hold this yarn down. Turn it over. This yarn, we're going to lock into here, and this is basically just for tension. So we have some kind of tension in this yarn. Hook goes underneath the first loop, hooks on the second loop, twist, coming back around, going under this one, and pulling through, just like that. And that is your magic ring.